Hello everyone, I'm Honeybee, hair and makeup artist. Do you like to know about traditional ancient Chinese style hair and makeup? And then let me guide you. Right, the ancient Chinese style, the clothes they call it the Hanfu. Hanfu is not just in the Han Dynasty, it's covering many periods dynasty clothes. For dressing up the ancient Chinese style clothes, you may need to spend some time to create a hairstyle to match with it. It sounds quite complicated, but it looks so beautiful, and more Chinese people like to wear the hanfu today. Especially on Huacaojie, it also calling the Flower Birthday Festival, and then they have a big festival on March in China. Before I go further, I like to show you some video. It will let you understand what is Huacaojie culture. In this video, have 12 ladies wear the hanfu to represent flower fairy. It is from January to December, and in each month I have a flower bloom, and every flower has a name for flower fairy. Also, in each flower fairy have the meaning and personality, and what month you are born, and what flower fairy you are. You have a look, those flower fairy in this video, they wear costume and hairstyles and hairpiece and hair accessory. It looks so beautiful in the ancient Chinese style. And the ceremony too, it is a difference in each province. You can tell there are thousands of people wear the hanfu for the festival day. And you can tell from the dress and the hairstyle and the flower fairy, they look so amazing and beautiful. So I'm going to show you how to make the headdresses and hair accessory in the ancient Chinese style. Okay, let's go. It is the back of the wig I'm making. It is not a full head wig. Also, it's not so easy to make or put a full head wigs on by myself, so I only make half piece hair. It's just for the back of the head. I like to use my own hair to create it and combine with this when I put it on, and this look more real. For the hairpiece base, I just cut some fabric from the straightening case. It is a quite thick and strong material, and I matched it around the back of the hair from ear to ear. It was 5 inches, but I cut out 6 inches fabric. I need to keep extra 1 inches long for sewing. After cut into the right size and sewing 2 layer fabric together in one piece. You can see the base after you cover with the hairbands on. You can use any color for the base, but if you have the fabric that color matching with the hair, it will be much easier when you're placing the headdresses on. Don't forget use the blocking tape wrapped around the edge of the base. That will be made strong to hold the hairband and the hair clips to it. And now I use 3 hair clips sewing on the base, 1 on either side and 1 on the top. This is for holding my hair when I'm placing it on. And now the base is done, and I show you how to make the hair sponge. I use a synthetic hair and hair net to make the hair sponge. I just cut the hair into 5 inches long and mixing it up, then roll the hair into a donut shape. At the last, I use the hair net, wrap the hairband into a right shape. The hairband is very firm to pull in when you wrap it up by using the hair net. Once you're happy with the hairband shape, and then use the needle to stitch it up and secure it. Don't forget, it need to squeeze the hairband tight when sewing it up. That make it firm and easier to wrap the hair around it. It is the next step I'm going to do. Wrap 1 layer hair on the hairband to make it look nice. Before wrap the hairband and put it on the base, I like to double check it is a fit and right size to put it on together. For the hairband out layer, I use the hair extension to wrap around the hair sponge. It is slippery and hard to stay still, but spend a bit of time for that. I try my best to make the hair smooth and then use the hair clip to keep the hair in place. Step by step, wrap around the hairband. Make sure it's covered well and neat for the out layer. Use plenty hairspray and comb it to make it smooth. The hairband needs to be very firm, and you need to pull it hard when you wrap it up by using the hair net. Now the hairband and the base are done, and I put it on together. For setting hairstyle on this hairpiece, I just a simple twisting the hair and folding up, and use the hair net to hold it. Just make sure it does not come loose. Just figure out where to place the hairbands on the base, and make sure it's neat and nice to cover the base as possible. You can also put some hair to cover it, and sew it on together. Make sure it's firm, smooth, and that's it, drop them. See you soon in my next video where I show you how to make beautiful hair accessory.